Ortega. I'm a staff here at BGCU, and I'm gonna help you guys learn how to make a simple little paper airplane. So first of all, you're gonna need a square piece of paper, and then you're gonna wanna fold that in half. And then we're gonna wanna reopen that, grab one of the corners, and fold that towards the center. Now once we have that folded, we're gonna wanna take that piece of half and fold that in half as well towards the center. And then we're gonna wanna redo that to the same piece of paper, so fold that in half, and again towards the center, and make sure the crease is properly folded. And then for the final one, it's just the length of this fold is gonna fold over into the middle. Now, once we have that, we're going to twist it into a circle and fold the end into the other end. And then we're gonna take the wing, place it on the table, place the airplane over the wing, grab your piece of tape, which should be the width of the wing, and just tape it down and center it as best as you can. And then once you have that, you grab it by the pointed end and you have yourself a plane.